Have you ever had an error like this when trying to watch YouTube TV? Because if you have, you've come to the right video. This video will be showing you exactly how to fix the YouTube TV playback error. And I'm going to be showing you a few different fixes so that we can try and fix this playback error. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing we're going to do to try and fix this error is to simply restart your device, and then we can reopen the YouTube TV app. This is actually a common fix for many tech issues, and sometimes closing and reopening the app can actually fix the error. The next thing you want to do is actually check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and YouTube TV actually recommends a minimum internet speed of 3 megabytes per second for SD streaming and 13 megabytes per second for HD streaming. So I recommend searching for some sort of speed test website such as Ookla, which will actually tell you how fast your internet is. And if your internet speed is not reaching the minimum requirements, that could be the reason why YouTube TV is producing that error. Another thing you can do is try and update the YouTube TV app. Of course, if you're on the YouTube TV website, you're not going to be able to do this step. However, a lot of people do tend to watch YouTube TV on their TV. So if that is you, you may want to actually check to see if the YouTube TV app has an update ready. And if it does, just go ahead and update the app, and that should have fixed your error. So the next fix is to search for YouTube TV server status. We can simply click this top link, and this will tell us if YouTube TV is currently down. As you can see, user reports indicate there's no current problems at YouTube TV, meaning that if you are getting that playback error and you also see this message, that means the issue is on your side and not YouTube's. So if none of those fixes work, don't worry, because I've got one more fix that you can try, and that actually involves uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. Unfortunately, if you're on the website, you're not going to be able to uninstall and reinstall the app, but you can try and use it in a different browser. But if you're on the TV, you just want to uninstall and reinstall the app, and sometimes this can actually help fix issues like this, so hopefully by doing that, it fixes your playback error. So this has been my video showing you how to fix the YouTube TV playback error. Hopefully, if you followed all the steps mentioned in this video, you should have fixed the issue that you've been having, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.